Let's quickly compare easily to the best value for money e-bikes that you can get in the market. So when you check basically the overall spec, design, performance, and also even battery size, really no other e-bike actually comes close to these guys. First, over here I have the new Duotts C29 Lite with fully integrated battery, and it looks absolutely amazing. And over here the OneSport OT16, the new edition of it. And this one also looks absolutely stunning, I would say. In this video I will show you everything you need to know about both these e-bikes, and I will tell you what I actually like about each of them and also what I actually do not like, and in which areas which e-bike is a better one. First, when it comes to the price, both these e-bikes at the time of filming cost pretty much the same, so only a bit over 600 euros. So I have managed to basically get special discount links and also extra coupons for both these bikes that you can use on the Duotts and also OneSport website. So if you follow those links, for the OneSport I have 100 euro coupon that you can use on the OneSport website, so simply enter UV16, but also make sure to simply click that link as well first. And I have 50 euro coupon for the Duotts. So when you apply these coupons and also follow those links, at the time of filming these are only around 600 euros essentially, and that's also with free shipping if you are in Europe. By the way, also if you want to see the full review of each, I also have full detailed review on my channel. But yeah, in this video we're simply going to compare them side by side. So first, what I like about the Duotts one. So really first, design probably is the best thing about this bike. In this price range I really think it's probably the best looking bike you can get. So you see just how insanely nice it looks like, and also the build quality is absolutely superb on it as well. And we have full integrated battery. So if you kind of do not know what you are looking at, you might even assume it's like a regular bike. So the battery is so well hidden in it that it doesn't even look like an e-bike. So I think that's a main advantage of it. Just so looks so incredibly sleek, I would say. Also we have integrated lights as well. Also proper metal mudguards. We also get a front one as well. I simply haven't installed that one. Okay. And also we have actually fairly decent motor as well on this bike. By the way, both of these bikes are fully legal, that is unless you install the throttle on them. So you see, for example, I have installed the throttle on it. By default when you get the bike it does not come with a throttle, but it's simply included in the box. If you want to, you can install it. It literally takes maybe like 2 or 3 minutes. So you simply put it on and connect the connector here. I have another video on how to do that. And yeah, throttle performance also is excellent, I would say, on this one. Also we get fairly decent shocks on it, and it's a very comfortable bike overall, I would say, when you're riding over rough terrain. And we are also getting disc brakes as well. So these are mechanical ones. At this price really we can't get hydraulics probably, but they do the job absolutely fine, I would say. And on the OneSport we are getting a more classic design. We obviously do not get an integrated battery on that one, but still, if you look at the design and how it looks like, I still think it's probably one of the best looking folding bikes that you can get. So yep, this is actually a folding bike. That one obviously we can't fold, so if you want to put it in a car, this obviously has got huge advantage. When it comes to build quality, the OneSport also is absolutely excellent, really just as good as the Duotts, I would say. So you see, we have proper, for example, metal mudguards here as well. Again, the frame finish, as you see, incredibly nice on this one as well. Also the folding mechanism also is basically one of the best I have seen on these folding bikes. Usually when you're getting a cheap folding bike, the mechanism kind of sucks, but this is actually fairly decent, I would say. When it comes to load carrying capacity, this one actually is probably better than the Duotts. When you basically check at build quality here, you can probably easily sit another person here on this bike. For example, we also get a rack on the Duotts here, but obviously it's simply meant for some kind of baggage. So you see it has 25 kilos limit. This one I do not see a limit, but basically I have also carried another person basically on the back of it, and it doesn't have problems doing that. And also we are getting disc brakes as well on this, so it appears we have identical brakes on these bikes. Also the brand is, so yeah, I think exactly the same brakes as on that one. Where on this one we get actually more beefier tires, as you see, so it's actually a very comfortable bike. Yeah, since also it has got shock. Oh, also another advantage of this one, this has got seat post suspension as well. So when you're going over bumps, it's going to soften everything very well. As you see on the Duotts, we do not get that, so only like regular seat post, and also the tires are skinnier definitely as well. So I guess better rolling resistance on these, but those probably are more for rougher terrain and probably even more comfortable due to the large size. And next, when it comes to the battery range and also the motor, this is where we can actually see a notable difference between these two bikes. So the more powerful one is the OneSport version. So again, they simply do not have as much limits for the battery, so again it's simply not integrated, versus simply, yeah, they do not have as much space where to put in the battery, so it's going to be a bit smaller. First, as you see, when it comes to the capacity, it's 816 watt hours on this one, and if we check on the Duotts, I see 468. So the battery capacity of the OneSport is almost 2 times larger than on the Duotts, which is actually quite a significant jump. Well, it's maybe obviously not 2 times, but yeah, close to that. Also another advantage of this one, it's 48 volt battery as well, so it can essentially output more power essentially. On the Duotts, as you see, we are getting 36 volt battery, so it simply can't output as much voltage. When it comes to motor power, if you check the specs on both bikes, they both are listed as 250 watt motors. By the way, they can actually peak more than that, so if there's a need, they can actually deliver more power, for example, to get you up a hill. So 250 watt rated power on this one, and also 250 watt on this one. So see, it even says 250 watts there. However, when it comes to actual power output, both these bikes can actually deliver more than that if there is a need. So I also have a bunch of other e-bikes, and if I compare both of these versus maybe something that is listed as 500 or 600 watts, then there's really not much difference between these e-bikes. So I'm fairly sure when it comes to peak power, this also is maybe around 500 or 600 watts. When it comes to peak power for that one, it's actually a bit less. So also the battery voltage also makes huge difference. So again, we have 48 volts, so it's simply able to send more current to the motor, and also will feel basically more powerful and to be able to simply deliver more power compared to that one. For example, when I'm driving up a hill, I can definitely tell that the OneSport is a more powerful bike, so it simply gets you better up a hill, and also acceleration also is even tiny bit faster. When it comes to pedal assistance on both the bikes, we are getting speed and cadence based pedal assistance, so they aren't torque based ones. At this price we can't really get that stuff, but they actually deliver fairly decent performance, I would say, still. However, if you compare the pedal assistant performance between these two bikes, Duotts definitely is significantly better and smoother bike. And out of any this type of pedal assistant bikes that I have tried, I think this Duotts C29 Lite is probably the smoothest and best really I have seen. So basically, as soon as you start pedaling, it's actually a very natural feel. The power delivery is simply very smooth, basically compared to pretty much everything else in the market. Basically, when you start pedal on that one, there's actually more delay before the power kicks in, and simply doesn't send the power as smooth as the Duotts does. So if I had to choose based only on the pedal assistant, then definitely I would go for the Duotts. But still, yeah, if you are just a basic user, you'll still probably feel it's decent. When it comes to the throttle, so yep, basically both these bikes come with throttle inside the box, so you can install them. Again, I have videos on that. So when it comes to throttle performance, really, I can't really tell a difference. So they probably have identical throttles on both. By the way, if you did not know, OneSport actually is a sub-brand of the Duotts. So I'm not sure if they're made in the exact same factory, but again, so they're very close brands essentially. So again, this is sub-brand of the Duotts actually. So when it comes to build quality, again, they would be identical bikes, since again they're pretty much made by the same guys. So that's why you might see that some parts are pretty much identical. For example, you see we have Shimano Tourney on this one, and pretty much the same brakes as on that one as well. So you see the gears and brakes again are identical on both bikes. When it comes to more difference between these bikes, another one is the overall feel and how they actually handle when you drive them at higher speeds. Since this is a proper normal bike, it actually feels mega solid on the road, and also if you are hitting larger speeds, again it feels very sturdy essentially and very stable. So absolutely fantastic, so can't fault in a way. So yeah, absolutely lovely bike to drive. Also the steering, as you see, it's nice and wide, so when you're basically driving, you are feeling basically very confident on this bike. Versus the OneSport, obviously it has got completely different shape and geometry and how it feels essentially. I see also the steering isn't as wide as on that one. So when you are driving at higher speeds, definitely you can feel you are basically feeling more confident on that bike. This one is absolutely great, since obviously you can fold it, put in pretty much anywhere. But again, that is a negative of any folding bike. So I also have used it maybe at least 5 different folding bikes as well. When it comes to the feel, again, there isn't much difference, for example, between this and any other high-end folding bikes I have seen. So when it comes to folding bikes, the feel is actually very decent, so I can't complain. But again, simply the shape, geometry is simply totally obviously different between these. So this obviously is good for very tight streets essentially, where you need to maneuver quickly. So you see the turning circle obviously is smaller also due to the smaller tires. But when you are hitting larger speeds, you can definitely feel that you feel a bit more confident on the Duotts. And overall, which bike should you get, the Duotts or the OneSport? Well, I would say this is actually incredibly hard pick, because both has got very clear advantage. First, on the OneSport, obviously the absolutely massive internal battery, also tiny bit more power basically combined with that bigger battery from this e-bike. And also, yeah, we can obviously fold it, so I think that's probably the biggest advantage. We can also drop basically down the steering seat. Again, it doesn't take up much space. I have another video basically on my channel on how to fold it and how it looks like, if you want to check it out. So when it comes to the practicality, if you are traveling often somewhere, need to take it with you, this is obviously a clear winner here. When it comes to Duotts, first you see, when it comes to the frame design and just how nice it looks like, this also looks absolutely superb. And again, if you do not know what you're actually looking at, you might assume it's a regular bicycle. So that's actually absolutely insane at this price to get integrated battery and this kind of nice looks. And personally, what I prefer on the Duotts again is overall more confident ride quality, since again it's a proper big bike with also large tires. So again, the tire size obviously is much smaller on that one. So for higher speeds, this is, I think, more well suited. And yeah, we're also getting a very nice and wide steering on the Duotts as well. And also on the Duotts, I feel that we are also getting a bit smoother and natural feeling assistant as well compared to the OneSport. When it comes to battery, even though it's a bit smaller than on the OneSport, it's still actually absolutely plenty in my experience. So again, I can't really complain much about the battery. And also again, considering it's actually built in the frame and looks so incredibly nice, yeah, no problems there, I would say as well. Unless again, maybe you are going on crazy distance trips, then maybe yeah, OneSport obviously is better, bigger battery capacity, but still for everyday usage, I do not think you'll find any problems with this one either. And yeah, overall, when it comes to value for money, both these bikes are pretty much unbeatable for this price, which they cost. Really, it's actually make hard to find something better. Again, if you are looking to get these, so I have extra coupons that you can use on their websites. So again, I have €100 coupon for the OneSport. So simply first click that link I'll include in the description and enter the UV16 coupon. That will take additional €100 off. Also, if you order it through that link, it also will arrive with a bunch of free accessories as well. So on the Duotts I have €50 coupon. So on the Duotts website, after you follow those links, enter the UVC29L, and that will take extra €50 off this bike essentially. And on the Duotts as well, if you follow those links, it also will arrive with a bunch of free accessories as well. Okay, good luck.